In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effectively use Google alongside ClickUp to streamline your task management and project planning. Let's dive right in. First, you'll want to start by opening your preferred web browser and heading over to Google. In the search bar, type ClickUp. This will bring up a list of results related to ClickUp, which is an incredibly versatile project management tool. ClickUp is known for its robust features that can significantly enhance your productivity and team collaboration. Once you see the ClickUp website in your search results, go ahead and click on it. This will take you to the ClickUp platform, where we can begin our demonstration. Next, when you arrive on the ClickUp platform, you'll notice a range of buttons and options. But for right now, focus on the option labeled View. Click on it to open your workspace. This is where all the magic happens. The View section in ClickUp is your gateway to visualizing your tasks, projects, and timelines in various formats that suit your workflow preferences. This View button will take you directly to your list of available project management options, each with a unique way of visualizing and organizing your tasks. Now that you're on the View page, look for the Gantt option and then click on it. Gantt charts are a powerful tool within ClickUp that allow you to map out project timelines, manage dependencies, and allocate resources with ease. This tool provides a visual representation of your project's progression, making it easier to track deadlines and ensure everyone is on the same page. By selecting the Gantt view, you're opening up a whole new perspective on your projects that can help with both immediate tactical planning and long-term strategic management. Finally, once you've accessed the Gantt view in ClickUp, you'll want to add due dates to your tasks to ensure that everything stays on track. To add a due date, simply click on a task within your Gantt chart view and look for the option to enter a due date. This can usually be found under the task details or in a similar task options menu. Once you've input the due date, ClickUp will automatically update the task timeline accordingly. This final addition ties everything together, allowing you to see the start and finish dates of tasks and their dependencies, which is crucial for thorough project oversight and management. And there you have it. By using Google to navigate to ClickUp and exploring the power of Gantt charts, you've taken significant steps toward optimizing your project management flow. Whether you're managing small tasks or large projects, these steps will help you stay organized and efficient. Thank you for watching, and make sure to stay tuned for more insightful tips on maximizing your productivity with ClickUp.